boys and girls, and welcome to Reading with Miss Sorrentino. Today, we are on the second lesson of our new unit of series books. Now, before we start today, I want us to play a game of imagination. You ready for it? I want you to close your eyes right now and think in your head that you are at Coney Island Beach. You just got a big ice cream cone. You're so happy, you're licking it, yum, yum, yum. Then your ice cream cone falls right into the sand. Problem! What do you do? Think about it for a second. Are you ready for scenario 2? Now, you are at the park with your best friend. You're playing, you're on the swings, you're running to the slide. When you're running to the slide, your best friend falls and scrapes their leg. Oh no! Problem! What do? Think about it. What would you do? There are many different ways people and characters respond to a problem. I know yesterday you talked about the star of the book. Today we're going to go further into learning about the star and seeing how they respond or react to a problem. Now I want to think about you. When your ice cream cone fell, did you think I'm going to cry and say, I want another ice cream cone? Or could you ask Mom, can I get another one? Or even maybe go up to the ice cream man and say, Sir, my ice cream fell in the sand. When you were at the park and your best friend cut their leg, did you just say, leave them and goodbye? Or did you go to your mom and say, Mom, can we have a Band-Aid and some wipes to clean up the mess? The way you react to problems and the way characters react to problems teach us more about them. Today I want to teach you that the way a character responds to trouble or a problem teaches us a lot about who the character is. The way they react or respond gives us clues to their personality. It tells us hint, 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 hint. This is how the character is. When we read, we have to pay attention how characters respond to that trouble. And when we see trouble, we have to stop, think, how is my character acting? Okay. Yesterday, we started the book Days with Frog and Toad, and we started reading tomorrow. Miss Sorrentino reread this part last night, and I realized, there's a problem here. You ready for it? I'm going to reread it. I want you to think, what's the problem? Tomorrow, Toad woke up. Drat, he said, this house is a mess. I have so much work to do. Frog looked through the window. Toad, you are right, said Frog. It is a mess. Toad pulled the covers over his head. I will do it tomorrow, said Toad. Today I will take life easy. Stop! I found a problem. I'm going to reread it for you. Are you ready for it? Toad woke up. Drat, he said. This house is a mess. The problem is, the house is a mess. And now one of our stars, I want us to think about this star of Toad. He said, he pulled the covers over his head. I will do it tomorrow, said Toad. Today I will take life easy. Pause and think. How did Toad react to this problem? Well, he didn't want to clean it. He pulled his covers over his head and said he wanted to go back to sleep. And that he's going to do it tomorrow, and today he's going to take life easy. So, that makes me learn a lot about Toad. The problem is his house is a mess, and now he doesn't want to clean it. It tells me that maybe Toad is lazy, he's sleepy, and he likes messes. But yesterday we learned about the stars of the book, and we know that Toad isn't the only star of the book. Frog is also a star of the book. So let's see today how Frog reacts to the problem. So remember, the problem is the house is a mess. Frog came into the house. Toad, said Frog, your pants and your jacket are lying on the floor. Tomorrow, said Toad, from under the covers. Your kitchen sink is filled with dirty dishes, said Frog. Tomorrow, said Toad. There's dust on your chairs. Tomorrow, said Toad. Your windows need scrubbing, said Frog. Your plants need watering. Tomorrow, cried Toad. I will do it all tomorrow. So now I want us to stop. Think, how did Frog react to this problem? Well, Frog came in the house and told Toad, this is a mess, this is a mess, this is a mess. So this makes me think, Frog is helpful. He's trying to tell Toad, your stuff's a mess. He's a good friend. He's trying to look out for him. He's responsible. He wants to help fix it. And he could be a little bit bossy because he's not fixing it for Toad. He's telling him, your dishes are in the sink. There's dust everywhere. Boys and girls, we just did a fabulous job. We noticed the problem, and then we thought about our stars and said, how did they react to the problem? And then we thought, what does this tell us about the stars of the book? I want you to give yourselves a pat on the back. Great job. Now it's your turn. Today you are going to go read your series book on MyOn. As you read, you're going to gather more information about that star. When you see a problem, stop at the problem and notice how your character reacts. Then ask, what does this teach me about them? So we did the same thing with Frog and Toad. We saw the problem, the house was a mess. We noticed how the characters react, and we thought, what does this really teach me? We said maybe Frog's a good friend, he's responsible, maybe Toad's lazy and a little sleepy. It's your job now. You can do it. After you're done, I want you to make a video telling your teachers, my character, blank, or my character, let's say Frog, reacted to the problem by telling Toad what to do. This shows me that he is... I think you can do it, boys and girls. Bye!